What's up, guys? You want to see what $1,000 a day carpet cleaning is? Let's go. All right, 3 jobs, okay? And I'm gonna let you know how long it takes to do those 3 jobs and how much money you would make, all right? First job's at 10:30, and it's gonna be a little different. Just a big old staircase, big nasty staircase outside. Yeah, you'll see. Holy moly, worse than last time I was here. Oh boy. Thought I wasn't gonna have to vacuum, but I'm just gonna sweep it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started. All right, guys. Much better, right? Guys, if you notice I'm sweating like you know what? Damn near 100 degrees today. I'm out here doing this with the door open. All right, guys, it's 11:23. That means it took me less than an hour. Okay. Estimate was for 300. Now, the first time I came here, he turned it down, but then realized he needed it and he was ready to pay. So I'm back. So up to the next one. All right, here at the next one, we're gonna be doing a sofa, chair, ottoman, and an area rug. All right, I'm gonna mix up some solutions that's a better fit for this job. The other one actually had boosted and stuff, so he had a little extreme for just some basic upholstery and rug cleaning. All right, so Brenda met me up on this job. She's gonna help with the prep and everything. And yeah, so yeah, all light stuff, but we've cleaned for these people multiple times. I love our work. All right, guys, all wrapped up with this one. One took us less than an hour, believe it or not. Teamwork. Would have took me probably an hour and a half by myself, but hey. All right, we got some blood in here we're dealing with. Not too much in here, but the other room. So this room right here was all, this area right here was all blood, you know, right here. All right, so just two area rows in the living room. We did spot for blood. So there's a elderly guy that fell and hit his head and did a lot of bleeding, you know, and so yeah, we're gonna take care of that. Alright guys, so that one was 200. Alright, the one before that was 550. So we had $1,050 day today. So over 1,000. Took us 3 hours and 10 minutes. Total day was 3 hours and 10 minutes. So if you're wondering if you can make $1,000 a day carpet cleaning, hey, we just did it in 3 hours and 10 minutes. Yeah, guys. So anyway, if you guys are looking to start a carpet cleaning business, I got a free how to start a carpet cleaning business ebook down there for you, and go ahead and click on the link and get that for free. Or if you just want to jump straight into carpet cleaning training, the big time with the big boys, Green Rhino Academy, we got a course down there, you know, everything from hardwood floor cleaning, tile cleaning, carpet cleaning, and your business setup, so you do not fail. But if you want to start off with that free ebook, go right down there and check that out. And thanks for watching, guys, and please hit that a 1 or something like that, just to let YouTube know people are watching it. If you don't have anything cool to say, hit a 1 to support me. All right, hit that like, and I will see you in the next one.
Started from the dirt where the dreams don't grow. Stacking pennies on a hustle, gotta learn that flow.